Hello, today's assignment is create a two-column justified two-page topic paper from given content, and the given content is below. It's just a write-up on Abraham Lincoln, just so you don't have to go out and find information to paste in. It'll be right here for you to use. So we are going to do this in Microsoft Publisher. So to find that, all programs, and right now it's in the Microsoft Office folder and Publisher. We do want a blank page, and we want it to be your typical 8.5 by 11 portrait. And mine is trying to sync up with a copier. I was going to hit cancel, but made it through anyway. Alright, so I'm going to look at some of the details. Requirements, half-inch margins. Set guides to 2 column and 3 row. 2 columns, 3 rows. So first, 0.5 inch margins. So does anybody remember where we do that? We'll go up to Arrange and Layout Guides and change the 1 inch to 0.5. Just going to hit Tab to go faster. Got all that in, and it does expand out. The next part, set guides to 2 columns, 3 rows. And I just went to the Grid Guides tab here in Layout Guides. Columns, I think they said 2, rows 3. Just going to double check that. 2 columns, 3 rows. Alright, did it say anything about spacing? Nope, so we'll keep it at the 0.2. Alright, and so it has all the guides laid out. Remember that these blue lines are not real lines that will show up if you print. They're just there for you to draw out text boxes and image boxes. Alright, so we're going to be 2 pages, 2 images per page, justified text, and we're going to link text boxes to each other, and I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to have a title first. So if I grab a text box and I want to keep it within our 0.5 inch margins just so everything fits inside of that, and the title is Abraham Lincoln, so I can just grab that. Alright, I'm going to fit that to it so it looks good. Alright, so we have Abraham Lincoln here. And now we're going to have 2 columns, so I need to draw text boxes. So I'm going to grab the text box function wherever it is on yours. Remember, it can be, if on yours it might be, if I can get it out, I think this is keeping it on the left. It could be anywhere on your page. It could be up in your top tab here. I believe you can put them on the right. Wherever it ends up, that's just the toolbar, and the wherever you want to see that, you go view toolbars. If that's not showing up, then you have to turn it on here. But for mine, it's right here. It's the text box. I'm going to fit it within the layout guides, and so I'm just going to draw it down. And now I want to put one on the right side. And so to be as accurate as possible, instead of redrawing one, trying to make it exactly the same size, I can just copy and paste and line those up so they're exactly even. So I have these two connected. I do need to have it to be 2 pages, as the direction said, so I can insert a page. Blank one after is good. Now on the bottom you can see I have 2 separate pages. On the second page, I do not need to retitle it, so I'm going to draw the left, and I could just copy and paste it, but it does start from the very top, so it's very easy to line that up. Or I could have just copied and pasted to be sure. Alright, so we have the two pages. Now we're going to link the text boxes together. So to do that, there is a function. It looks like a chain link. And if you look in your toolbars for that, when you do click onto your text box here, you have this chain link that's available to you. When you're not clicked on one, it will not be there. You want to make sure that you're clicked in the first text box. Then you're going to click on to the create a text box link, or as I just call it, the chain link. Click on that, and now you have to tell it what you want it to link to. And so you do not want to link it to itself. That will not work. It'll usually give an error. If you go to that right text box, you can see it can pour out into it with this little graphic. And if you hit that, it'll be linked together. And so how that kind of shows up or why it's useful is that if the text spills over from this left side over to and keeps going, it will continue into this one. So you don't have to, if you edit anything, let's say that I were to take some space out, a bunch of these out, it will just slide everything back. And so you can see if you make some edits on some page, everything will just slide forward. Or if you add something in, everything will just slide back. And so when making a long newsletter, as I have before, it is very important to do this. If you just paste text into this box and then separate text in this box, if you go back and edit, everything is thrown off. And so linking them is very important. Right now we have these two linked, but we're going to link it to the second page also. So I'm going to be in this text box, the right one, and going to click on the create text box link. Have to then go to the second page and spill it into the left one. It shows the graphic that it is linked on the first page. This one has that it's linked to both of them, to the one before it and after. And so if I'm in this one, I'm going to link it to that one, and now they are all connected. So now if I go to the text, and I think I'm good now, however many pages in I am. I don't want it 48. Let's just say 12. And it says the inserted text doesn't fit in this box. Do you want it to auto flow? And we'll just say no. Wherever it ends, it ends. It's just going to end right here. And so we have all that information in. If I were to take some out, everything just slides through. I'm going to Control Z that. So that's why when making a newsletter you would do this, or for some other project where it could be a long project that has edits to it, changes that you don't want to throw off your entire document. I'll check for any more directions. I think we have everything. That's the basics of doing a newsletter.